Hi everybody and welcome back to the Flopdoodle Chloe Bean Spark team. Today we're going to learn the trick spinning in circles. First, Chloe and I are going to demonstrate it for you and then we'll learn how to teach it. All right, Chloe, spin. Up. Yes, spin. Yes, very good. Okay, so now we're ready to learn the spin in a circle trick. Just like with the shaking of the left paw and the right paw, we're going to learn how to get the dog to spin in a circle to their left and to their right. To complete this trick, we're going to have a treat in one hand, and we're going to use a method called luring. Luring, if you remember, is when you are directing the dog with the treat in your hand and their body will follow where their nose is headed, and that's how we're going to learn this one. So you're going to want to have a treat in your right hand. You'll have the dog in front of you, and you're going to hold the treat in your hand. You're going to go out to the side, around to the back, and when the dog completes their circle, you're going to give them the reward marker of yes or a click, and they'll know that they've done it correctly. Now when you do it, you're going to want to add the word as you're teaching. So we will say spin. Yes, very good. And it works in the opposite direction the same way. Spin. Yes, very good. Now, as you get better and better with the treat, you should be able to go a little faster. Spin. Yes. And same with the left side. Spin. Yes. Very good. Don't forget to reward marker at the exact moment your dog completes the circle. Now, as you progress, you're going to want to phase out having the treat in your hand, and you're going to have just your hand, and you're going to go in a circle. Yes. And then give the dog their treat. And then as you continue to advance, which is going to take a couple of days, you're going to be able to just lower or make your hand motion a lot smaller. So it'll just be a flick of your wrist and the dog will spin in a circle. So as we do it, we're going to practice a right spin and a left spin. And in the end, you'll be able to tell them which way you want to go with just a simple flick of your wrist.